paper. We all get mail that need to be stored instead of being recycled. It takes unnecessary space that we can save for you. Introducing myELF. myELF securely stores a digital version of your mail. After logging into the app, you will see two ways of storing your document: by categories or chronologically. By clicking on the camera button, you can choose whether you want to directly scan the letter or import a letter, which you previously took a picture of. Using Google's ML Kit, the program scans the letter and identifies the title. Our ML Kit's OCR is offline for the user to feel more secure about their sensitive data. After importing the data, the program stores the letter in the chosen category. Of course, you can add as many categories as you need. You can also search through all the letters.